Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
During the time of Swayambhuva Manu, these sons all became the demigods collectively named the Two-Seaters. Marichi became the head of the 7 rishis, and Yagya became the king of the demigods, Indra. During the life of Swayambhuva Manu, 6 kinds of living entities were generated from the demigods known as the Two-Seaters, from the sages headed by Marichi, and from descendants of Yagya, king of the demigods, and all of them expanded their progeny to observe the order of the Lord to fill the universe with living entities. These 6 kinds of living entities are known as Manus, Mevas, Devas, Manuput Amshavataras, Surshvaras, and Rishis. Yagya, being the incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, became the leader of the demigods, Indra.